Ever wondered how much it actually costs to get your business up and running with a powerful point-of-sale system like Lightspeed? It's a question I get asked a lot, and honestly, it's a question that doesn't have a simple one-size-fits-all answer. Because the truth is, the minimum for a Lightspeed account is a bit of a moving target. It depends heavily on what kind of business you have, what features you need, and how you plan to use the platform. Think about it. A small boutique clothing store has very different needs than a bustling restaurant, and both of those are different from a multi-location retail chain. Lightspeed understands this, and that's why they offer a range of plans designed to cater to different business sizes and types. So, instead of just throwing a number at you, I want to break down the different factors that influence the cost of a Lightspeed account and give you a clear picture of what you can expect to pay. We'll explore the various plans, the features they offer, and how to choose the right one for your business. First things first, let's address the question directly. There isn't a single minimum price tag. Lightspeed operates on a subscription model, meaning you pay a recurring fee, usually monthly, to access their software and services. This fee varies based on the plan you choose. And these plans aren't just randomly assigned. They're structured around the specific needs of different business types. For example, Lightspeed Retail is designed for, retail businesses. Think clothing stores, gift shops, bookstores, anything selling physical goods. Then there's Lightspeed Restaurant, tailored for restaurants, cafes, bars, and other food service establishments. And let's not forget Lightspeed Ecom, which focuses on online sales and integrates with their POS systems for a seamless omni-channel experience. They also have Lightspeed Golf, Lightspeed Retail, for apparel, jewelry, and sporting goods, and Lightspeed Restaurant for multi-locations. Each of these has its own pricing tiers. Now, within each of these categories, you'll typically find different subscription levels, often labeled as good, better, and best, or something similar. These tiers represent different levels of functionality. The lower tiers will offer the core essentials, like processing transactions, managing inventory, and generating basic reports. As you move up the tiers, you'll unlock more advanced features, like detailed analytics, customer relationship management, CRM, tools, loyalty programs, and integrations with other business software. So where does the minimum come into play? The most basic plan within each category is usually the most affordable, and therefore could be considered the minimum entry point. However, it's crucial to resist the temptation to just choose the cheapest option without carefully considering your needs. Because if that basic plan doesn't have the features you require, you'll end up paying for add-ons or switching plans later, which can be more costly in the long run. Let's dive into some of the key factors that affect pricing. One of the biggest is the number of registers or terminals you need. Each register will typically require its own license or subscription, so the more registers you have, the higher your monthly cost will be. This is particularly important for businesses with multiple locations or those that experience high volumes of transactions. Another factor is the volume of transactions you process. Some payment processors and even some Lightspeed plans might charge a fee per transaction or have a monthly processing limit. If you anticipate a high volume of sales, you'll want to factor this into your calculations. Features, as we discussed earlier, are a major driver of cost. Do you need advanced inventory management? Do you want to set up a loyalty program? Are you looking for in-depth sales analytics? These features often come at a premium, so it's essential to prioritize the ones that are essential for your business and avoid paying for features you won't use. Integrations are another important consideration. Lightspeed integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and services, like accounting software, email marketing platforms, and e-commerce platforms. If you rely on these integrations, you'll need to make sure your chosen Lightspeed plan supports them. Sometimes, these integrations might also come with additional costs. Support is another often overlooked aspect. Lightspeed offers different levels of customer support, and some plans might include priority support or dedicated account managers. If you value quick and reliable support, you might need to opt for a higher tier plan. Now, you might be thinking, this is all great information, but can you give me some actual numbers? And I understand. But here's the catch. Lightspeed's pricing can vary depending on promotions, special offers, and even your specific business situation. They often encourage businesses to contact their sales team for a personalized quote. However, I can give you a general idea. You can expect the most basic Lightspeed plans to start somewhere in the range of a few $100s per month, while more advanced plans with multiple registers and premium features can easily cost several $1,000s per month. Keep in mind that these are just ballpark figures, and the actual price you pay will depend on the factors we discussed. So, what's the best way to determine the minimum cost for your business? The first step is to visit the Lightspeed website. They usually have detailed information about their different plans and features. Spend some time exploring the options and identifying the features that are must-haves for your business. Next, I highly recommend contacting Lightspeed's sales team directly. They can provide you with a personalized quote based on your specific needs. Don't be afraid to ask questions and clarify any doubts you have. They're there to help you find the right solution for your business. Finally, don't forget to factor in other costs associated with your POS system, such as hardware, registers, barcode scanners, receipt printers, payment processing fees, and implementation costs. These can add up, so it's important to have a complete picture of the total cost of ownership. Choosing the right POS system is a crucial decision for any business. It's an investment in your future, so it's worth taking the time to do your research and find the solution that best fits your needs and budget. Don't just focus on the minimum cost. Focus on the value you're getting for your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.